Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Jimmy here. It's Wednesday. I got a fly in my face. Today is a green day. I took a short position on Starbucks. Trade played out really well. And the exciting thing is I caught it live on camera. So I'm going to show you the entire trade from the entry to the exit and kind of my logic as I'm going along. And then at the very end, after I close the position, then I'm breaking down the trade and telling you kind of what I was looking for and what I thought of the trade. So I want to show that to you today. I want to know if you guys want more live videos like this one that I'm showing you today. If you do, comment below and just say, yes, I want more live videos. If you don't, comment no more live videos. And if I can get 10 or so comments in one direction or the other, that'll help me make the official decision on whether or not I include live videos or do not include live videos. So let's jump into it. All right, got the live trade going here. Got a bracket order set on Starbucks. Looking for the break of this 5-minute opening range. 83.98 is the low, so 83.97 is going to be my trigger. And we'll just see what happens here. It's really holding as if it wants to almost become a 3-bar play. So we'll see what we can get here. All right, just canceling that order. Wanted to change things, wanted to move that stop to just above the top of that wick. Just seemed to be a little more logical. So we're going to set that 15-cent stop, 30-cent take profit. Let's see what we can get out of this. Captured it live, so I'm pretty excited about that. We'll see how this works. There's 1R. Things are looking really nice so far. See if we can get another push. And try and get to 2R here. This is where your emotions got to stay in check because you start seeing, excess of 1R. Then you get a little pullback and you start thinking, oh no, I'm losing. I got to get out. But if you can kind of maintain an all or none strategy where you just hold and just see what happens. For me personally, I've found that if I sell early, usually it works. So I try to just leave the bracket alone and let it run. So we'll see what happens here. All right, creeping back up on about 1R. Let's see what it wants to do here. I do want to take a peek real quick at the daily chart. Okay. Go back to the 5-minute here. I'd like to see a big quick flush. Big flush down. There we go. Finish it up. Big flush. Big push down. That's a nice candle, that 5-minute that just closed. It's got a nice topping tail on it. Just a nice indication that there's some overhead selling pressure. So now if we can just get that final push and activate our bracket order and close the position, let's see what happens. If we can get down here to 83.65, we'll be out. One flush to 83.65. We're less than 10 cents away. There we go. Let's push through 65 and finish it. Coming right back up. There's 67. 66. There we got it. All right, and we got some slippage in our favor. Beautiful. All right, so to recap that one really quick, Starbucks, 5-minute breakdown,
with the combination of almost a perfect 3-bar play, push to the downside, 15-cent stop, 30-cent take profit, activated perfectly. It's continuing lower, but up 102.90 on the trade. So thanks for riding along on that one.